Each lot is scanned and labeled to establish full production traceability.
Incoming quality inspection verifies key dimensions and cosmetic standards before release.
Materials are either quarantined or released based on inspection results.
Leased materials are kitted and staged to feed the production line efficiently. The SMT line is verified for correct configuration before production starts.
Accurate stencil alignment ensures consistent solder paste deposition.
Feeder loading and scan.
Controlled reflow permanently bonds components to the circuit board. AOI detects solder and placement defects early in the process. Depaneling prepares individual boards for downstream testing and assembly.
Test results are logged to maintain quality and traceability records.
Approved electronics are transferred as controlled WIP to final assembly.
Assembly stations are verified to ensure consistent mechanical build quality.
The approved circuit board is accurately seated into the watch housing.
Controlled torque prevents damage and ensures long-term reliability. Inspection confirms critical assembly points before continuation. Controlled curing secures the display without thermal stress. Weight verification helps detect missing or incorrect parts. Only units meeting sealing criteria proceed to end-of-line testing. End-of-line testing validates full device functionality.
Permanent serial marking enables lifetime traceability.
Final cleaning prepares the smartwatch for contamination-free packaging.
the assembled product is placed into its final retail packaging. Labels provide identification, compliance, and logistics information.
Final pack-out checks confirm completeness before case packing.
Sensor calibration ensures accurate performance in real-world use.
Quick verification confirms calibration completion before pack-out.
FIFO buffering preserves production order and traceability.
Packaging materials are verified to prevent packing errors.
Proper box forming protects contents and improves shelf appearance.
Tamper-evident seals protect the product through distribution.
Barcode verification prevents labeling and shipment errors.
Random checks confirm correct packing and contents.
Suspect packs are isolated to protect outgoing quality.
Minor pack-out issues are corrected and released back to flow.
Reworked units are re-verified before returning to standard flow.
Buffering balances pack-out and case packing rates.
Verified retail units are consolidated into master cartons.
Strapping adds stability for palletizing and transport.
Cartons are staged in sequence for correct pallet build.
Automated palletizing ensures consistent stacking and reduces handling risk.
Wrapping secures the load against shifting and contamination.
Destination labeling ensures correct routing to customers. Pallets are positioned for scheduled dispatch.
Shipments are scheduled to match carrier availability and delivery plans. Signed pallets are moved to the correct loading dock. Safety checks protect workers and products during loading. Pallets are loaded in sequence to optimize space and stability. Non-reusable logistics waste is segregated for licensed disposal.
Waste is stored securely until collected by approved partners.
The trailer is closed to finalize the shipment.
Completed shipment leaves the factory under full control.
Packaging waste is segregated to support responsible recycling.
Electronic scrap is isolated and managed through approved disposal channels.
Finished goods are loaded securely for outbound shipment.
Tamper-evident seals protect shipment integrity in transit.
Bill of lading for shipment 724. Pallet count is correct. Destination's Dallas. Sign here, please.
Looks good. Got my copy.
Completed smartwatches leave the factory for global distribution.
Production cycle completes with controlled manufacturing and logistics.
Reusable trays are cleaned to maintain ESD and cleanliness standards.
Controlled spare parts inventory minimizes downtime risks.
Ongoing training ensures consistent execution of assembly steps.
Controlled change management prevents unintended process variation.
The dock is reset and readied for the next shipment.
Remaining inventory is stored safely under warehouse control.
Key metrics summarize performance of the completed production cycle.
The factory returns to steady state after completing the production flow.
Sorted recyclable materials are handed over to certified partners.
Electronic waste is transferred under documented chain of custody.
The organization here is excellent, very clean.
And the updated safety protocols are clearly posted.
Good. Check the halide levels on the lighting above Bay 4.
The facility stands ready after a completed production cycle.
The smartwatch production flow concludes with controlled manufacturing and logistics.